你好, welcome back to Smart Mandarin and Smart Mandarin podcast. If this is the first time you're on my channel, my name is Katrina. I'm the founder and the teacher of Smart Mandarin. My job is to help you speak Mandarin with confidence and joy. In today's episode, we're going to continue to talk about the most useful and practical phrases that you can use when you come to Taiwan or China. If you haven't watched my part 1 video lesson, the link is right over there or in the description. You can watch that after you watch this one. Now let's get started. Number 1 is 请问请问请 is please. 问 meaning ask. Please ask, which means may I ask in Mandarin. So when you see 请问 or you hear 请问 in Mandarin, it often followed by a question. 请问 is usually in the beginning of the sentence. So if you hear or see 请问, it always means a question. For example, 请问厕所在哪里？请问 may I ask 厕所 bathroom washroom 在哪里 where I think we talked about 在哪里 before in my previous lesson. So 请问厕所在哪里？请问厕所在哪里？请问 may I ask 厕所在哪里 Where's the bathroom? So if you want to ask where is something something, you could use this structure. 请问 something 在哪里？请问厕所在哪里？ Or if you're in a coffee shop or in a restaurant and you want to ask is there a bathroom here? Then you could say 请问这里有厕所吗？请问这里 here 有 have or has literally 厕所吗？ So may I ask here has bathroom. That's a literal translation. Means that is there a bathroom here? 请问这里有厕所吗？请问这里有厕所吗？ Or if you're somewhere else, you want to ask, is there a bathroom around here? Then you could say, 请问附近有厕所吗？附近 meaning nearby, around here. So, 请问附近 around here or nearby 有厕所吗？ Is there a bathroom nearby? 请问附近有厕所吗？ So you can switch 厕所, the thing you want to look for, to something else. Or you can switch to another yes/no question. You could say, 请问附近有没有厕所？ So you drop the ma and switch that to 有没有？请问附近有没有厕所？ That's another yes/no question. If you want to learn how to use yes/no questions in different way, I have absolute beginner's course. The link is down below. You can take a look at it. Now, let's move on to the next one. If you want to say taxi driver, in Mandarin, we could say 师傅. 师傅. Literally, it means master, but in China, they call a taxi driver 师傅. But in Taiwan, we say 司机, 司机. So depending on where you are, if you're in Taiwan, you say 司机, and if you're in China, you say 师傅. When you're on the taxi, you want to tell the 司机, the taxi driver, where you're going. So when you get in the taxi, you say 你好，我要去这里，谢谢。你好 meaning hello. When you get in the car, you say 你好，我要 I want to. 去 to go to. 这里 meaning here. So this is the time you show the taxi driver the address or the name of the place or the Google map to show the taxi driver and say 你好，我要去这里，谢谢。That's it. 你好， 我要去这里. So you don't have to tell the driver the whole address because if you had the Google map or you had the address in Mandarin Chinese and then you just say 你好我要去这里谢谢你好我要去这里谢谢 Easy, right? Or you could say 你好请载我到这里你好 Hello 请 please 载我载 meaning to ride to give me a ride so 请载我 please give me a ride 到这里到 meaning arrive 这里 is here so basically it's the same as the previous sentence I just used different words and different expressions 你好请 please 载我 ride me here 到这里谢谢你好请载我到这里谢谢你好请载我到这里谢谢 Next one if someone says sorry to you they say 对不起 then you want to say that's fine it's okay in Mandarin we say 没关系没关系没关系没关系 And in China, I often hear people say 没事没事 literally means nothing 没事 means don't worry about it that's no big deal 没事没事 So you can say 没关系 or 没事 in Mandarin. The next one is about bargaining. So when you find something that is too expensive, you could say 太贵了太贵了贵 meaning expensive 太 plus adjective plus 了 It is a structure to express something is too much. So you could say 太贵了太贵了 For another example, same structure, if the weather is too hot, you could say 太热了太热了 It is too hot. Alright, so if you want to bargain, if something is way too expensive, you could say 太贵了 Or you could say 老板这个太贵了 Remember 老板 meaning shop owner. If you haven't watched my previous video lesson, the link is right over there. So 老板这个太贵了老板这个太贵了 The next one you could say 这个可以便宜一点吗这个 this 可以吗 Do you remember the structure? Meaning may I or asking for a certain permission. It's also in my previous lesson. The link is right over there after you watch this one. Alright, so 这个可以便宜一点便宜一点 literally means cheap a little. So this can cheap a little? Yes or no? That's a literal translation. It means that can you make this cheaper? Can it be cheap a little? 这个可以便宜一点吗？这个可以便宜一点吗？这个可以便宜一点吗？ Can this cheap a little? 这个可以便宜一点吗？ Or sometimes if you buy more, then maybe it is possible to lower the price. So you could say 如果我买两个可以便宜一点吗如果 if 如果我买 I buy 两个 two the two of the items that you want to buy so 如果我买两个如果我买两个如果我买两个可以便宜一点吗如果我买两个可以便宜一点吗 Usually 老板 would say 可以 Yes 可以 Alright Next one If you go to a restaurant By the way How do you say restaurant in Mandarin? I think I talked about that in my previous lesson That is 餐厅餐厅 If you go to a 餐厅, a restaurant, usually in the Chinese food or Taiwanese food, they would ask you if you want spicy because they love to put some chili sauce in your dish, but they might ask you if you can handle spicy, if you want spicy. So in Mandarin, they would ask, 要辣吗?要辣吗? Do you want spicy? 要辣吗?要辣吗? Very easy, just 3 words. 要辣吗? If you want spicy, you could say 要谢谢 want, thank you. 要谢谢 want, thank you. If you don't want, you could say 不要谢谢 I don't want, but thank you. 不要谢谢不要谢谢 So 要谢谢要谢谢 want, thank you. 不要谢谢不要谢谢 But in my case, I usually say 一点谢谢一点谢谢 A little, thank you, because I don't know how spicy the chili sauce is, so I would just say 一点谢谢 Or you could say 一点点谢谢一点 or 一点点 They both work, okay? 一点一点点 They mean the same, just a little, little 一点一点点一点一点点 A little, little, okay? 一点谢谢一点点谢谢 Once again, 一点谢谢一点点谢谢 So I hope you enjoyed today's class and please let me know what are the travel phrases that you encounter but you don't know how to say in Mandarin Chinese or daily sentences you want to learn in Mandarin Chinese. Let me know in the comment down below. I might teach you in my future episodes. And if you like this video lesson, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and share to your social. You can also join my lovely Smart Mandarin support community on Facebook and follow me on my Instagram. The links are all down below. And if you want to become my lifetime student, I have courses to help you speak Mandarin with confidence and joy. The link is also down below. In the next video, we're still going to talk about some useful phrases and sentences in Mandarin Chinese. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And while you're waiting for the next video lesson, I have other video lessons you can watch. Until then, I'll see you next time. 谢谢你们，再见。